When I lift weights, the last 2 or 3 reps are always painful. My mind says, stop, this is hurting. I'm uncomfortable. I don't like it, but I know that pressure, that pain is number 1, only temporary, and number 2, it's causing me to get stronger. I was uncomfortable for a short time, but the results lasted a long time. Now I have this massive, good-looking physique. In my mind, I do. You may be uncomfortable for a season. Yes, it's hard to bite your tongue when somebody's rude. It's hard to keep a good attitude when the contract didn't go through. That's hard to stay in faith when things aren't changing. But if you'll dig down deep and pass the test, you're going to come in to favor that will last a long time. Here's what I've learned. The pain of discipline is less than the pain of regret.